Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to attach a trellis to a brick wall. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a hammer drill, masonry drill bits, a spirit level, and a screwdriver. For fixings, choose robust wall plugs and screws designed for masonry. Also, ensure your trellis material is durable for outdoor use, whether it's wood or metal. Now, let's prepare the wall. Carefully measure and mark where your trellis will sit. Use a spirit level to ensure your marks are perfectly straight and level. When drilling, aim for the mortar joints between bricks, as this is often safer and provides a more secure hold. Use your hammer drill with a masonry bit to create the pilot holes. With your pilot holes drilled, it's time to insert the wall plugs. Make sure they are the correct size for your screws and tap them gently until they are flush with the wall surface. For optimal plant health and to protect your wall, consider using standoff fixings or wooden battens. These create a crucial gap, typically 5 to 10 centimeters, allowing air to circulate and plants to grow freely without damaging the brickwork. Finally, let's secure your trellis. Carefully align the trellis with the installed wall plugs or standoff brackets. Use your screws to firmly attach the trellis, ensuring it is stable and secure. Remember to maintain a gap of at least 5 centimeters or 2 inches between the trellis and the brick wall. This space is vital for healthy plant growth and prevents moisture buildup against your home.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.